In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attendance shifts in Zoho People. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the shift settings, how to set times and margins, and how to tailor each shift to your organization's policies. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Sign into your organization account, then, from the app launcher, choose Zoho People. If you don't see it right away, look for the full list of apps and select People from there. Once Zoho People loads, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Attendance section, look for Manage Shifts. You can also reach this page from the Operations tab if that's where your navigation takes you. Either route works the same. Click the option to add a new shift. Give your shift a clear, recognizable name, something like morning, evening, or night, and assign a color so it stands out in calendars and reports. Consistent names and colors make it much easier for admins and employees to understand schedules at a glance. Next, set the shift duration by entering check-in and check-out times. Use the correct time format your account follows and confirm the time zone matches your organization's settings. If you're creating an overnight shift, make sure the system interprets the end time as the next day so hours calculate correctly. Now, define shift margins. These are the windows that let employees clock in a little early or a little late and clock out accordingly without immediately flagging attendance issues. Margins are especially helpful if you allow flexible clocking while still maintaining a defined schedule. If your business requires everyone to be present during specific hours, configure core working hours. This ensures that, regardless of margins, all employees on this shift are expected to be actively working during that period. You can also restrict breaks within these core hours to prevent coverage gaps. Choose how weekends are handled. You can base weekends on the employee's location or tie weekends to the shift itself. If you select shift-based weekends, you can set full working days or half days as needed, which is useful for rotating or weekend-only shifts. If your organization offers a shift allowance, enable that option and enter the rate. This keeps compensation aligned with payroll policies for late, night, or special shifts. Select the locations where this shift applies, and, for finer control, use criteria to include specific departments or divisions. This helps you target exactly who should follow the shift. Finally, review your settings and click Save. Your shift is now ready to assign within Zoho People.